my leaves, you mutt. Yeah. Give me that ball. Give me the ball. Give me it. Out. Give me here. Give me that ball. Out. Out. Come on. Maybe living in the desert wouldn't be all bad. The weather says 25 degrees tonight. We better winterize the wolf pup, which is good. I won't be doing this for another hour. Take a rest. Let the next 100 pounds fall. Come on. This is going to be so easy. It's all set up. It's all available right under there. So all I got to do is get my fat butt under there. Well, let's see. Here's my fill line that I had to replace. Here's the cold water. Here's the hot water. See, here's the water line going into the cold water from the pump. These are the shower things, but I don't see anything to hook up to for antifreeze. That would be right here, just before the filter. The pump would suck it in out of the, like it was taking it out of the tank. Damn, I don't have a fill. Ugh. An auxiliary fill. I need one. Well, guess we're gonna have to make one. I'll have to cut right into here. In there. And we're going to cut a little piece off. There. Have a little piece, so we'll know what size the things going in there are. Won't have any errors. Proper tools. Hose tube cutters. Important. Can't use a knife. You never get a square edge. See that square edge? That's important for getting things to seal and work. Maybe we can get shark bite. We'll see. Now I bought this kit at Camping World. It's a kit for winterizing, and it's a decent kit, except because I didn't have a winterizing kit, I couldn't get the pump. The pump doesn't have a screw. It just has direct connect like this. So I had to go out, and luckily I was smart enough to cut off this piece so I could make one fit. Because this is not PEX. While a lot of the stuff in the trailer is PEX, this is not PEX. It's not the right size for PEX. It's 1/2 inch, but 1/2 inch PEX is 1/2 inch on the outside and not on the inside. So this was 0.48 on the inside, and I need a bathroom plumbing adapter, or what they call a spike, a barb to go on this. So I put tape on this to get this on here, and I think I might have put a little too much tape, but we'll get that on there nice and tight. We got to put these on first, because otherwise we won't be able to get them into the, hold them. Just hold on to that with this. Tighten that up real good, and that's pretty tight. On the other side, and these are just from Home Depot, but they're in the bathroom section. They're not in the PEX section. If you go to the PEX section, you'll find ones that don't work. And they'll say they're the 1/2 inch that you need, but they're not. They're PEX 1/2 inch. And that's the problem with RVs. Many things are different. So now that's all ready to go. And now I got to cut this much of that line out with my cutter, and I got to make sure this is right. Because one of the things, this is in ByPass, so this is going from this way to that way, and I got to make sure that this is the pump side. And the easiest way to figure out where the pump side is to blow through it, and then you change it to the other way, and comes out the other way. This one, this is the water tank side. So you want it pulling from the antifreeze when it's pointing towards the antifreeze. And this is the pump, so the pump will pull. So that's how you tell. Pulling from, you're going through to the pump, or you're going through to the antifreeze. Now they give you this little cheap thing, which actually is alright, because after all, you don't want to have a great big huge tube here that's going to fill with antifreeze and then spill all over the place when you unscrew it. So I'm going to leave that there like that. And they do give you a hose to go on it, so we'll do that. So we put this all together so it'll go in there, but of course it's got way too much. It's gonna take up way too much room. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the heat gun to warm it up a little bit. Battery powered tool is the best in the world. Of course, I don't want to melt it, I don't want to shrink it, I just want to warm it up. That's good. Let's see if we can get this on there. I can't see it because the fill tube's in the way, but oh, that went on right. Easy. Except I forgot to put this on, so let's put this on. And then put that on. There. That's right easy. Now let's see if we can tighten that up. And that is now tightened. Now now we got the other side on. We'll tighten down the clamp on that. All right, so that's on there. Can you see all that? So it's all there. So you can see the valve I'm turning. When it's there, it's for the antifreeze. So let's see how it works. The easy way to do this is to put a long straw on the end. That's down in there. And we'll turn on the pump. Let's see how it works. Well, we've got it to the sink. Got it to the bathroom. The only place we still have to do is the shower outside. So as you can see, we went through a bucket of the antifreeze, so it really takes 2 buckets because you still have to do your drain traps and your outdoor shower and all that, because anything that will hold water could have problems. If you look over at the hot water tank, it's on ByPass, and if you can tell that over there is pink, so you know it's got pink all the way through. You don't have to worry about the tank itself because it's got a sloping bottom, so it will more or less just, if it freezes, it just snaps out of there. It doesn't hurt it. But so that's how you install an easy pickup antifreeze system. We're gonna do the outside shower, but I don't think we need to have you here for that. Subscribe and like. We'll see you on the next video. All right, thanks folks.